Kung mag-explore ka lang din sa Tanay, you might want to visit this place. 10 Cents to Heaven is a 30-hectare leisure camp in Tanay, Rizal. Kaya daw 10 cents to heaven ang pangalan ay dahil 10 centavos per hectare lang ito nung araw. They have 2 function rooms which you can rent for 1.5 per hour as long as you avail their family room accommodations. I can say na maganda at well-maintained ang mga function halls nila. From Quezon City, almost 2 hours lang ang trinavel namin papunta dito. Wala ring traffic going here. Ito yung swimming pool nila pero I doubt kung lalangoy ka kasi sobrang lamig dito. Kaya pag nandito ka, huwag mong kakalimutang magdala ng jacket. Tingnan naman natin kung anong itsura ng hotel rooms nila. So ito yung tinatawag nilang stone house. So andito mostly yung rooms for big families and groups nila. So good for 10 packs ito, 9,300 or 930 per packs. Inclusive na ang breakfast, swimming pool, and hanging bridge. May balcony pa. Ito naman yung itsura ng rooms nila sa kabilang building. Mukhang mas bago yung mga nandito. Rate ay 4,500, good for 2. May breakfast na and use of swimming pool and hanging bridge din. Ngayon, papunta naman kami sa area kung nasaan yung mga team building activities and cafe nila. Sobrang lawak talaga ng lugar na ito pero hindi ako pinagpawisan dahil malamig yung hangin. Aside sa room accommodation, function halls, and team building activities, they also offer pictorial packages. Pwede rin mag-bonfire and KTV dito. Ito yung mahabang hanging bridge nila na tinapos pa rin namin kahit nakakatakot, back and forth. Sa mga malalakas ang loob, merong rappelling, free fall, and zipline. 900 meters yung zipline. Ito na yung daan papunta sa cafe. Yung cafe nila sobrang ganda din ng view. Imagine mo kumakain ka dyan tapos ganyan yung view na makikita mo. Kaya naman, if you want to unwind or have a quick escape from the concrete jungle, dito ka na.